The return of my Coin Lady channel brings me much joy. Ignore Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency sector. It appears like XRP is poised to skate its way to $8 now that it's finally moving. We're going to explain how it works and, more significantly, why there was such a big move on XRP, even though you might think we're insane. You may argue, I told you, and I imagine many of you would agree. However, the truth is that we did warn you, so brace yourselves. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, because XRP is moving when I explain everything to you. Alright, let's begin. Supposedly, Gary Gensler's resignation on November 18th is the current spark. You should treat all of this with skepticism, but this is the market's motivating factor. There are a lot of speculations circulating about Gary Gensler possibly resigning at the moment, and I always assume that rumors have an origin. We are already aware of the rumor that Brad Garlinghouse met with Donald Trump. Furthermore, we are also aware of the strong demand for the Bitcoin reserve and a pro-crypto SEC chair. All of it has been very evident ever since Donald Trump was elected president. The question now is whether Gary Gensler will actually go next week. A lot of fun is being had by XRP. In my perspective, the entire case is thrown out since the removal of Gary Gensler supports a pro-crypto SEC chair. Indeed, a colossal sum of money will go down the drain. However, I believe that the United States has evolved. Just today, we learned that the Pentagon failed a 7th financial audit, and somewhere about $850 million vanished. I think the government's attitude on Bitcoin has shifted. So, you know what? Any and all of those issues are resolved by XRP, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrencies. We'll watch how this works, because it's audited every 10 minutes. However, as previously mentioned, the price of XRP has been surging beyond $1. It is currently trading at $1.20 and could continue to rise. This recent upswing in price is in line with the options market's positive stance. It was just yesterday that we broached the subject, along with the unlock and the possibility of stock market trade. This is really optimistic. The SEC's ongoing legal issues are impacting the agency's appeal that is currently pending. Additionally, as previously mentioned, the price spike aligns with a bullish market outlook. Its high of $1.27, a 27% increase from November 2021, is extremely bullish, and it did break through on heavy volume. But here's the wild part, everyone is debating how high we should go. Everyone felt the $1 market marked the end of the year. What do you think about it now? Some even went so far as to claim XRP would be completely ineffective. So, you know what? After hearing that XRP will do nothing, it has surprised everyone by far outperforming all but the most obscure cryptocurrencies. What this means is that there will be a dramatic shift in the market and even more gains in the future, which is the exact opposite of what anyone expected. Therefore, we are here if you examine some of the essential basics. Reports indicate that a 1 or 1/8 level of support above $1 might be reached in the event that this occurs. I think we can say with some certainty that keeping this level could be critical in order to prevent a return to $1. However, if this level is broken, it might trigger a test of the 187 at Fibonacci 2.618, and in the long run, $2.40, a 135% increase, would be the goal. At this same moment, we will examine the graph. With a 33% daily increase, this thing is absolutely booming. Even though Bitcoin isn't moving, XRP is sending signals to break above 118 and keep pushing. Looking at the 3-day chart, which we have discussed briefly before, we can see that the next significant level is 132, followed by the upper range of 177 and a break of $2. However, I believe this to be the very first step. We are still waiting for altcoins to generally move, but Bitcoin is still struggling around 91,000. Consequently, many believe that XRP might potentially reach $10 or even $8 during the peak of the bull market. Okay, I understand it. You could be thinking the same thing. However, why is that? So, you know what? Significant market dominance could be XRP's destiny in the cryptocurrency space. It has achieved a notable milestone after 3 years, reclaiming 1.66% of its original level. In reality, our most recent visit was in November of 2016. I know, you're probably wondering, what happened in December? Pardon me, but in November of 2016 I can tell you that the price of XRP surged in November 2016. Actually, it started at -2, climbed up to -4, and then rallied to -1 cent. That was a huge step forward, and as we mentioned before, more is on the way. Based on our current position, a breakthrough at this level would signal a solid advance towards my price target of $10, as it has served as a springboard for upward momentum with dominance and average continuance of 740% in comparable circumstances in the past. Everything here is quite bullish, and what's more significant is that it's occurring for XRP at last. My video would not have been seen without you. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.